Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix app is not indexable by Google search in Android Studio. It's easy to fix it. All you have to do is add some simple data in your project. Just you need to add action view intent filter. To solve this problem, open your Android Studio project. Now after open your Android Studio project, now search for Android manifest file. Search for it inside your project. If you are using project that exported from Buildbox, you will find the file here. Here change the view from Android to project. Just open Android folder. Now open app folder. Now open src folder. Now open the main folder. As you can see here, this is the file we need. Now here as you can see, the app is not indexable by Google search. To solve this problem, you need to add action view. Alright, here in the activity, you need to add intent filter. Now here type intent hyphen filter. Now press enter. Okay, now you need to type this. Category space Android name equals quote Android dot intent dot category dot launcher. Now you need to add action dot main. Here type action space Android name equals quote Android dot intent dot action dot main. Now the last thing you need to add here is action dot view. Now type action space Android name equals quote Android dot intent dot action dot view. As you can see here, after adding these lines, the problem has been solved. Now the app will be indexable by Google search. As you can see, it's very easy to fix this problem. And this problem doesn't affect on your project. It's only make your app or game not indexable by Google search. Alright, now just sync your project and everything should work fine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.